Ready to turn your amazing creations into Etsy sales? This is your ultimate guide to crafting listings that get noticed and get bought. First, let's talk titles. Think of this as your product's prime real estate. Be descriptive and include keywords buyers will actually search for instead of cute mug. Try hand-painted ceramic coffee mug with floral design, unique gift for her. Next, the description. This is where you tell your product's story. Start with a compelling hook that highlights the benefits. Use bullet points to showcase key features and materials. Don't forget to include dimensions, care instructions, and anything else a buyer would need to know. Make it easy to read and appealing. Now for the magic behind the scenes tags. Etsy uses these to help shoppers find you. Think like a buyer. Brainstorm every possible search term for your item. Include broad terms, specific details, materials, styles, occasions, and even colors. The more relevant tags you use, the better. Finally, pricing. This is crucial for profitability. Calculate your material costs, your time, and don't forget Etsy's fees. Research what similar items are selling for, but price your work for its true value. A premium product deserves premium pricing. By mastering these 4 elements, titles, descriptions, tags, and pricing, you'll be well on your way to creating effective Etsy listings that boost your visibility and drive sales. Happy selling!